Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram voice message not working problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now first steps, go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search Instagram, tap on Instagram, scroll down, tap on storage. Now clear cache or clear data. Click on delete. Second step, open your Play Store app, search Instagram. Now update your Instagram app. Your Instagram app is updated. Now third step, restart your device. Now tap on restart. After your device is restarted, open your Instagram app. Now finally your voice message is working. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.